sometimes when you're gardening, you want to have like a big harvest before you show anything, or just have this mindset that everything has to be an abundance of it at one time. Like you may see some other people on the internet who have really large gardens. But truthfully, sometimes you may just get a handful of tomatoes or just one tomato or just a little bit at a time. Just take what's right, leave what's not. So in this video, you just see me going through collecting my tomatoes and different things, just harvesting them as they're ready over about a week's time, and just see what all I end up with by the end of a week. So it's over probably 3 days, maybe 4 days. I'll let it stay another day or two and pray nothing gets it. Tighten it up real good. Finally got a big tomato. Hoping that nothing's wrong with it. I'm gonna take it like this. Ooh. The clip is off.
I moved that plant because look, it added to the big plant. Look at it go ahead.
Yes, baby.
Look.
Yes. So we have it rained last night pretty heavily, well, all day yesterday, and so now my tomatoes, several of them up here that are ripened, they are hopefully not split, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of the ones that are starting to change colors, even though they're not completely red. Take them off. Take these off. So they don't split or anything else by leaving them on the vine for too long. Just take all of these. Actually, I'm gonna leave that one there. Just take these. And go up on a step ladder now and grab off the ones that are up top. Go ahead and take this one. See those. And take this one as well. Go up here. And let's see. Oh, there we go. I'll take these 3. Those up. Grab these over here. They are really cute. Pretty. Let's see some more way over there. I'm trying to grab these. I'm up here too. More over here. Is that in between the, some more back here. Grab that one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bag off of here, I think, or just leave it open, because at this point this plant is doing really well. It's gonna be, they don't seem to be getting attacked as much from pests like they were originally. Okay, this plant, let me come out here and prune some of this yellow off. You can see a big one up top that I missed. I need to cover another one that I see. Ooh, spiderweb has gotten lower. Is that spiderweb? It has definitely built a bigger web since I was out here last. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tomato, this large one from this, up here, up there. I can reach it. Only thing about this is that I actually need to get up on the ladder because I can't quite tell. Make sure I don't pull the wrong one. But yeah, the spider. Okay, I think the spiders help to protect this from everything. Let me get this ladder. I got it down. There are actually some more up there. So they're coming along right there. Up in there. Through all the jungle. See those two. This was the third one that was with it. So they're definitely coming in. Coming in slowly, but they're coming in. Oh, I see some more back here. Spiderweb, spiderweb, spiderweb. I'm down low and I still walk into a spiderweb. Okay. So I'm gonna grab these right here. I'll stay low, but I can feel spiderwebs. I know there's a big spider in that web. Okay. Woo! This spiderweb, like, oh my gosh. He like really, or she really made her web super large. It was not that big previously. Okay, let's see. I think these are all green. They're all green. I think here's still green. These over here are still green. Oh, that one has a little bit of pest damage. Okay, over here. Oh, look. These, oh gosh, what do I do? Okay, I'm going to take, am I going to take, or am I going to leave? Okay, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to leave the other one. Yes, I'm going to, if I can, move this bag, kind of small for these 2 tomatoes. Okay, come on. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Praying it doesn't have any damage because this plant had a lot of damage at one point. Okay, just twist it. Oh, it came off. Yes. So I'll let it finish ripening up inside. Uh-oh. Okay, let it finish ripening inside. And then the other one, I'm going to tighten the bag up. Matter of fact, I'm going to, there are 2 tomatoes in this bag. It's a little tiny tomato that's trying to come on right there. You can see the little baby tomato. So I'm going to allow it more space to grow. So I'm going to leave it outside of the bag and just tighten the bag around the bigger one. Well, sometimes you just leave well enough alone. This one right here was the one I was trying to close in the bag, and it ended up coming right off. Right off. Okay, you see one back there?
Yeah, but it's all because of this fence.
Ooh. You want to put it in the basket? Go ahead. Good job.